What if a country welcomes over 35 million travelers each year and still feels clean, organized, and deeply cultural at the same time? Germany is exactly that kind of destination. From fairy tale castles on hilltops to ultra-modern cities filled with innovation, every region offers a different experience. Imagine riding fast trains through green landscapes, walking medieval old towns, and tasting world-famous food in lively markets. In this video, we shall explore Germany's best cities, travel routes, food culture, safety tips, daily budget, and everything you need before your journey begins in 2026. Let's dive in. 1. Why visit Germany? Germany is one of Europe's most balanced travel destinations, where history, nature, and modern life exist side by side in a very organized way. In one trip, you can walk through medieval old towns, explore world-class museums, and later sit in a high-tech city filled with innovation and design. Every region has its own personality, so travel never feels repetitive. The northern areas offer coastal views and port cities. The central regions are full of cultural heritage, and the south looks like a postcard with mountains, lakes, and castles. Germany is also known for its efficiency. Trains run on time, cities are easy to navigate, and travel between regions is simple, even for first-time visitors. Seasonal events like Christmas markets, summer festivals, and Oktoberfest also make the country active throughout the year, adding more value to every visit. 2. Before you go. Before traveling to Germany in 2026, a few simple preparations can make your entire journey much easier and more comfortable. The country uses a euro, and card payments are widely accepted almost everywhere. However, small bakeries, street stalls, and local markets may still prefer cash, so keeping a small amount on hand is useful. Public transport is one of the strongest systems in Europe. Trains, buses, and metros are highly reliable, but understanding basic ticket validation and schedules will help avoid small issues during travel. The weather in Germany changes with the seasons. Winters can be cold, while summers are mild and pleasant. Packing layers is the best approach, so you can adjust easily throughout the day. English is commonly spoken in major cities, but learning a few simple German phrases like greetings or basic thanks can improve interactions with locals. Travel insurance is also recommended, as healthcare is excellent but expensive for visitors without coverage. 3. Best route/where to go. Germany becomes much easier to explore when you follow a clear travel route, because each region offers a completely different experience in culture, scenery, and atmosphere. A common starting point is Berlin, the capital city where history and modern life sit side by side. Here you can explore museums, historical landmarks, creative neighborhoods, and large public spaces that reflect Germany's past and present in one place. From Berlin, many travelers move south toward Munich. This city is known for traditional Bavarian lifestyle, beautiful architecture, and easy access to mountain landscapes. It is also one of the best places to experience local festivals and cultural events. Next, heading west brings you to Cologne, a city famous for its massive cathedral and lively old town streets. The atmosphere here feels energetic and welcoming, especially near the river area. Hamburg is another important stop in the north. It is a major port city with canals, modern buildings, and a strong connection to water-based trade and history. The city feels dynamic yet relaxed at the same time. For a more romantic experience, Heidelberg offers a smaller and more traditional setting. Its old castle, river views, and historic university town create a peaceful travel break. Nature lovers often continue toward the Black Forest region, where deep forests, small villages, and scenic driving routes create a completely different side of Germany. The environment here feels quiet, green, and refreshing. Another iconic route is the Rhine Valley, where castles, vineyards, and river cruises create a storybook-like journey through one of Europe's most scenic landscapes. Together, these destinations form a balanced route that shows Germany's full identity, from modern cities to natural beauty and historic charm. 4. Food you must try. German food is known for being simple, filling, and full of traditional comfort flavors that reflect regional culture and history. One of the most common foods is sausage, especially bratwurst. It is widely available in street stalls, markets, and restaurants, often served with bread, mustard, or potatoes. Pretzels are another popular item. Soft, slightly salty, and freshly baked, they are commonly enjoyed as snacks, especially in southern regions. Schnitzel is a well-known dish made from breaded meat, usually served with fries, potatoes, or salad. It is a staple in many restaurants across the country. In southern Germany, meals often become richer and heavier, with dumplings, roasts, and hearty sauces influenced by Alpine traditions. Bread culture is very strong in Germany, with bakeries offering hundreds of varieties every day, from simple rolls to dense whole grain options. Beer also plays an important cultural role, especially in Bavaria, where brewing traditions go back many generations. At the same time, modern cities offer global food options, making it easy to find international cuisine alongside traditional meals. 5. Things tourists should never do. Tourists should avoid ignoring traffic rules, especially in cities where cycling lanes are strictly followed and respected by locals. Being late for trains is another mistake, as public transport runs on a very strict and punctual schedule. Loud behavior in quiet areas, public transport, or residential neighborhoods is generally not accepted and may create uncomfortable situations. Littering is strongly discouraged, as cleanliness and environmental care are taken seriously throughout the country. Crossing roads without signals, even when traffic is light, is not recommended due to strict safety discipline. Many shops and restaurants do not operate 24 hours, so assuming constant availability can lead to inconvenience. 6. Common tourist mistakes. Many travelers make the mistake of focusing only on big cities and completely skipping smaller towns, which often offer more traditional culture, quiet streets, and authentic local life. Not booking train tickets early is another common issue, as it can increase travel costs and sometimes limit seat availability on popular routes. Some visitors also underestimate how far regions are from each other, especially when planning multi-city trips, which leads to rushed schedules and tiring journeys. Failing to properly understand or validate transport systems can create confusion during travel and waste valuable time. Another missed opportunity is ignoring seasonal events like Christmas markets or local festivals, which are a major highlight of the country. Rushing through Germany is also a common mistake, as the country is best experienced slowly and with a balanced travel pace. 7. Safety tips. Germany is widely considered one of the safest countries in Europe, but maintaining basic awareness still helps you enjoy a smoother and more comfortable trip. In busy places like train stations, festivals, and major tourist attractions, always keep your belongings close and secure, especially during peak travel hours. For transportation, it is best to rely on official apps or verified ride services when moving around cities, as this ensures safety, fair pricing, and reliable routes. Cycling lanes are strictly followed in Germany, and they are often separated from walking paths. Always pay attention before crossing or walking on these lanes, especially in busy urban areas. In crowded tourist zones, stay alert during events or high season travel when foot traffic increases significantly. Simple awareness helps avoid small issues like delays or confusion. It is also useful to save emergency contacts and your hotel details on your phone before traveling, so information is always available when needed. Germany also has a strong infrastructure system, and tap water is clean and safe to drink throughout the country, making daily travel more convenient and worry-free. 8. Daily budget. Germany has a moderate travel cost compared to many other European countries, making it suitable for different types of travelers. Budget travelers usually spend around $80 to $120 per day, which covers hostels, basic meals, and public transport options. Mid-range travelers typically spend between $150 to $250 per day. This includes comfortable hotels, restaurant dining, and visits to popular attractions, offering a balanced travel experience. Luxury travel can go beyond $300 per day, especially when choosing premium hotels, private tours, and exclusive experiences in major cities. Using public transport passes can significantly reduce travel costs, especially for longer stays. Food choices also vary widely, from affordable bakeries and street snacks to fine dining restaurants, allowing travelers to manage their budget based on personal preferences and travel style. Germany is a destination that combines structure, culture, and natural beauty in a very balanced way. From historic cities and fairy tale castles to modern urban life and peaceful countryside, every region offers something unique. It is a country where travel feels organized, safe, and full of variety, making it ideal for all types of visitors. If this guide helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and updates.